Welcome to 6 Mile Cypress Slough Preserve, located in Fort Myers, Florida.
How was your walk? Good. Obviously nothing. That's why you're out sleeping. About the area that you're looking at, there's a little history in there. So they've been seeing a lot of birds out there, the herons. No gators yet, no otters or anything, but you never know. So enjoy your walk.
All right, you guys, my cousin Miles is going to explain to us what we are looking at here.
Okay, so we are looking at something called a slough, a type of wetland, basically, that has slow moving fresh water. It goes from here to the bay to the Gulf of Mexico. It's important because it stores water during heavy rainstorms and cleans pollutants from the water.
Nice.
The slough is also a sanctuary for many plants and animals.
Okay. That's the bulk of it right there? Okay. It looks very interesting. You can see the water line on all the trees.
Yeah.
So, and then the trees are funny shaped, aren't they? Why are they so big at the bottom?
No.
And then skinny at the top? We'll keep walking and see what else we find. Of course, we had to take a quick stop at the restrooms before we continued on our journey. These restrooms were well maintained and very nice. Long before the boardwalk planks and interpretive exhibits, a lazy freshwater ribbon flowed through this area, 10 miles long and 1/3 of a mile wide. This is a place where water doesn't rush, it wanders, weaving among cypress knees and twisted roots. It's so white. How is it so white living in such a murky water? Oh my gosh. Do you know what kind of bird this is, ma'am? Oh, wow. Back in 1976, a high school environmental class knocked on doors and gathered signatures to inspire voters to say yes to the conservation of this area. Local finances and resources were then gathered to build this beautiful boardwalk. The boardwalk sits about 3 feet high off of the water, which makes for a very immersive experience because most of the animals and the wildlife are walking or swimming around your feet. You don't have to go very far to see something. Also, you don't need binoculars or anything like that. Turtles, wading birds, otters, alligators, and different fish life all cohabitate here. The only thing we saw though were wading birds and turtles. We were hoping to see some gators, but we didn't. Oh, and we saw some fish too. Today, this slough does what it has always done in silence. It catches rainwater, rushing from the city, filters the water, then sends the fresh water toward Estero Bay in the Gulf of Mexico. During the wet season, the forest floor becomes a shallow river. In the dry months, the water retreats but never vanishes. Ooh, look at all the lily pads, Miles. That is so cool. This easy 1.2 mile walk is appropriate for any age group. It's also good for wheelchairs and for strollers. The boardwalk is open daily from dusk till dawn. Admission is free as long as you have your paid parking, which costs $1 per hour. It was mentioned that the tree canopy in the Slough keeps the temperature about 10 degrees cooler, which is very helpful considering how hot and humid Florida can get in the summertime. This interpretive center was closed on the day that we went, but it looks like it'd be a lot of fun for the kiddos.